Our Call 6 investigators, the state is taking action to shut down a Greenwood daycare after finding dozens of health and safety violations.
One of KidCo's former workers is now speaking out about those safety issues. Call 6 investigator Kara Kinney joins us now with the latest on this. Kara.
That's right, Todd and Tanya. This stack of papers lists violation after violation cited by inspectors with the State Family and Social Services Administration. FSSA has been trying to revoke the center's license for the past year. A KidCo worker who resigned just weeks ago says she is concerned for the children's safety.
Jennifer Childers loves her own child. And other children. She's worked in childcare for the past 6 years, most recently in the infant room at KidCo, a licensed center in Greenwood. That is until June 5th, when she submitted this resignation letter to the daycare and the state, raising concerns about how the center handles child abuse allegations.
Daycare officials are not supposed to classify what's child abuse and what's not. If we suspect anything, we're supposed to turn it over to the proper authorities, let them investigate it.
Records from June 2012 show the state found the daycare failed to immediately report 2 separate child abuse and neglect incidents to Child Protective Services.
Why did you resign?
Because of all of the safety issues in the building, insects, rodents in the building, especially in the infant room. And no matter how many times I made complaints, then they were never taken care of.
Inspection records from a week ago show the state cited the daycare for ants and a mouse, as well as unsafe sleep practices and not reporting a toddler's injury to the parent.
The children's safety is more of an issue now than it is ever.
State inspection records also repeatedly raised concerns about how the daycare supervises and disciplines children. FSSA said a January 2013 videotape revealed a teacher dragging and kicking a child.
I've seen teachers grab children by their arms and drag them. I've seen children with marks on them.
The state also found a teacher using profanity with children and a child's head cut while fighting with another student while a teacher was present. KidCo is appealing the state's latest attempt to revoke its license. The daycare's president declined to meet with us for an on-camera interview, but sent us this statement. Since the matter is currently the subject of administrative proceedings and hearing, we do not think it appropriate to discuss this matter. We are quite confident, however, that after the FSSA hearing officer hears the evidence, this will be resolved in favor of the facility.
Now, a hearing is expected on KidCo childcare later this summer. FSSA says it cannot notify parents until the appeals process is complete.
Some disturbing accusations there. So as a parent, how do I know if where I'm sending my child is safe?
Well, this case should serve as a reminder for any parent that you need to go online and you need to check your child care's facilities inspection records. And we put a link on our website, theindychannel.com. You can look at the inspection records. And in the case of KidCo, for example, it says on there that their license is enforcement pending. So that could be a red flag that you might want to ask some additional questions.
Do your homework.
Absolutely. Whether your child has been there for a month or for years.
Good advice. All right. Thank you, Kara.